Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best radios that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sangean WR15 AM/FM tabletop wooden radio. Sangean has been my favorite radio for a few years now. I love a few different models from the brand, but the WR15 is my personal favorite. Not only did it do fantastic in my testing, picking up a good amount of stations and playing those stations more clearly than other, cheaper radios. Dial radios are gorgeous to look at, but can be a little frustrating to land on your preferred station compared to digital radios. But the WR15 has a nice, large dial and easy-to-read numbers that make it easy to find the station you're looking for. And the green light at the top lights up to confirm you've locked onto a station. The dial isn't the only design choice I like. The size and shape of this radio is reminiscent of a bookshelf speaker, and the small footprint makes it easy to add to any tabletop. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sony ICF506 analog tuning portable FM/AM radio. This radio looks and sounds quite nice for the price. It's cheaper than most, and while it's fully portable, it still looks at home on a desk or bookshelf. Something about its design just says garage workshop to me. Unlike the Tivoli, it doesn't have any weatherproofing for the outdoors, so keep it out of the rain. The display is large, so it's easy to see which channel you're on, at least for an analog radio, and the dials are easy to use. It requires 3 batteries for portable mode, but you can use the included AC adapter instead to keep it powered on if you don't need it to be portable. I only wish the volume dial was above the tuning dial. It's easy to grab the wrong one, but that might not bother you. At number 3, we have the Lumie Bodyclock Luxe 700 FM. I was a little surprised how much I like Lumie's Bodyclock Luxe 700 FM as a radio. It's one of our recommendations in the Best Sunrise Alarm Clocks Guide, but it performed similarly to Studebaker's radios in my side-by-side radio signal tests. It also has a nice speaker, so your favorite radio station will sound nice both due to the reception and the speaker quality. The design of the Luxe 700 FM reminds me of a 2000s car radio, with 5 buttons to save your stations and 2 dials on either side. One dial is for volume, while the other is for the sunrise lamp. The digital screen looks pretty basic, but it was really easy to read and channel surf to find my favorite stations. You can set up an alarm to wake you with the radio, and you can also add a sunrise experience to it if you want. It also doubles nicely as a bright bedside lamp. At number 2, we have the Studebaker SB2135BT portable stereo CD player AM/FM stereo radio. Physical media is making a comeback, so why not pick a radio that can play the cassettes and CDs you're buying again? The Sangean SB2135BT has it all in one device. It's a good radio too, with good reception and robust sounding speakers. I picked up stations easily, and it was easy to turn the control knob to find my station. The station numbers are on the small side, so you'll probably have to lean in to find a specific station. But for searching for any station playing a song you like, it's easy to use. There's different controls for the CD player, tape player, and radio, and a few switches to select which one you're using. All are easy enough to use, though the cassette switches take some effort to push into place. Were cassette players always this way, and I just don't remember? The buttons and dials are clearly plastic to the touch, but don't feel flimsy when I'm spinning the dial or hitting play on a cassette. And finally, at number 1, we have the Studebaker SB2000 JENSEN SB2000TE portable AM/FM radio. The Studebaker SB2000 feels like a toy and is priced like one, so you won't be bummed if the kids break it. The tiny channel dial also feels made for small hands. The hardware is plasticky, but the colors are fun and bright. It's a solid radio otherwise, with good reception and fine enough sound considering how cheap it is. The handle and battery power source makes the SB2000 easy for kids to carry from room to room, though there's no weatherproofing. So make sure there's no chance of rain if they take it outside. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.